Maintaining Melbourne's iconic riverside areas comes with a lot of dangers, and there's a lot of risks that we have to manage as part of our work. I'm Owen Wallace. I'm the contract supervisor for the grass maintenance crews on the Melbourne Water contract at ETS. A focus on safety is very important. A lot of time goes into making sure that everything we do is as safe as it possibly can be. When the operators get to site, the first things that they do is a risk assessment. There are some areas that certainly do have difficult terrain, overgrown vegetation. These areas are often very close to the footpaths and or bike paths. Risk assessments provide information about exclusion zones and setting up the area so that we can protect the public. We have a culture of safety that focuses on selecting the right gear for the job. STIHL provide us with excellent quality equipment that is designed with a range of safety features with this in mind. We have changing weather here in Melbourne. It can be warm and sunny, and then it can be cold and windy and wet. We have lightweight, waterproof clothing that protects us from these elements. The guys are prepared whether or not conditions change throughout the day. Today we're using the FSA 200 battery-powered brush cutter. The brush cutters, in terms of the comfort and ergonomics, they are all designed to provide that protection for the operators. The new harness systems are fully adjustable. This is particularly useful in these steep areas because it makes it safer for the operator. If they can adjust their equipment to suit the site and what they're about to do, then that has benefits for safety. They have the capacity to store a battery on your belt, and then you have an adapter that goes into your machine. So that actually reduces weight in your machine and keeps it on your body. It allows greater manoeuvrability for the operator and protects your back. We do have a range of options for the head attachment. We have the grass cut. This allows us to work in spaces closer to the public. We also have the auto cut. This is a traditional style of brush cutter attachment, and it's flexible, and we use that in larger areas and where we've got to do heavier work and things like that. We'll also be using the ProCOM helmets today. A lot of our tasks that we do can be quite dangerous. It becomes easier to signal your operators when they're maybe a little bit away from you, or if you've got other things going on where there's noise involved and they can't quite hear you. Clear communication is an effective way to manage the risk to our operators and the general public. I'm excited for the young men and women that are entering our industry. Having equipment that is designed to protect them and things in place in regards to safety, it will allow them to work in our industry for a long time to come.